Alright, so we are here at our lovely campground in Pensacola, Florida. Today, we're gonna go check out the Blue Angels. I've seen them a long time ago when I was young, but Melissa has not. And they do regular flyovers here out on the beach. Truck's locked. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Wife's ready. This campground is rad. It's like a jungle, and it's right on the beach, which is really cool. Let your engine on the back end, and you know what you use for. We're gonna go pick up Uncle Rex, and then we're gonna go over to the airfield. This is his house. He's got a big boat.
Well, hello there. We already donated for college funds, but we are welcome to come in.
You want to come with us?
Yeah, let me just grab some stuff and be right with you.
Sounds great.
Okay.
That's Uncle Rex. Picking him up. Like I said, I'm gonna go over to the airfield. He's a pretty funny guy. Alright, Rex, where are we headed?
We're heading back out Silver Creek and take a ride on dog track.
Alright, so we're going over to the airfield.
We're going to the Pensacola Naval Air Station.
Okay.
It's been here for many years.
Okay.
And we're hoping to get on the installation to watch the Blue Angel practice today. They practice Tuesdays and Wednesdays during the summer around here, unless they're out of town performing. And this weekend they're going to be in Smyrna, Tennessee, up near Nashville.
Very cool. And then you said their winter home is Southern California?
Yeah, I forget exactly where, but they're down there somewhere.
And I was telling Melissa that I've seen them in Southern California when I was probably 10.
Okay.
But so it's been a while.
Yeah, well, take a right here. The airplanes don't have propellers anymore, like when you were 10.
I'm not that old. They look exactly the same.
Actually, they're probably flying the same kind of aircraft, maybe even the same ones.
So they came down the runway like this, like straight at each other, and then they turned at the last second and went like that.
What was it called?
Knife edge pass.
Because I was inverted.
That's the sound of freedom.
Melissa, how was it?
It was incredible. Super impressive.
Super impressive. Yeah, thanks, Rex. That's a great idea.
Yeah, thank you for bringing
I
us.
get tired of it. I watch it from my backyard. I come out here and watch it. I never get tired of it. And I was Air Force.
I think I can appreciate it a lot more now that I have my private. The maneuvers they're doing are just, it's hard to fathom. It's just crazy.
Yeah, and we've come to see this kind of stuff as kids, but coming back to see it as an adult is all the much more impressive when you see the type of maneuvering they're doing.
Yeah. So much America.
Many hours later.
Okay, you told me so. You nailed it. So we met up with Uncle Rex, and he's got a little surprise. Yeah, he's got a little surprise planned for us. Take a look at that. Oh, it's over here.
We're gonna go for a ride in that.
It's hard to tell what it is. Tell him what it is.
It's a helicopter. A Robinson 44.
Going for a ride in a 44. Are you excited?
Very. I can't wait.
So we just got our pre-flight briefing. Gonna go in and use the restroom, and then we're gonna take off.
Fun fact, last time I was in a helicopter, this guy was the pilot.
Me, I flew.
That was about 8 years ago.
It's been a while. Just went on a helicopter ride. That was amazing.
That was incredible. This is our helicopter right here.
Oh,
See it? He's shutting it down.
that was rad. We flew over the beach, flew over the ocean, flew over the
Shot
city,
downtown, flew
saw
over a
some
concerts,
saw
saw some
some dolphins,
and some sharks and some turtles.
a little bit of everything. That was awesome. Just like the old days, except I have actually never been in a 44 before, only the 22.
I'm thinking
Yes.
that might have been the highlight of our road trip so far.
Oh, is that right?
I don't know if it's gonna get any better than that.
I thought the highlight of your trip would be seeing Uncle Rex. You know, but I'll accept that. That's okay. Whoops, excuse me. I'll accept that. Okay.
Well, you came along with it, so
Yeah,
you
okay.
provided this
All right.
experience for
Okay.
us.
The whole package,
Yeah,
Rex.
the whole package.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. That was the main thing. We're going to be going off to the left a little bit. He'll steer it. Yep. We just have to be listening for him to holler, stop.
Putting these guys to work.
Yeah, these are birds now. That's a twin.
Pilot's license again?
Well,
Or-
I have my license.
Are you thinking about like flying again?
Are you gonna pay for it? Because if so, then 100% yes.
I think I'm gonna need a raise.
So what do you think, babe? Would you rather go back to your normal life and, a normal Tuesday night, just on the couch, Netflix,
Netflix and chill?
or helicopter and chill? I guess. I don't know.
Helicopter.
Helicopter and chill.